Hello friends, my name is Shreyansh and today I am going to teach you how to make this maze game in Scratch. The game is like this. We use the arrow keys to move this sprite, and if we touch the black, we will go to a starting position. So let's see how to make it. So friends, the first thing to do is go to event and take a when green flag click block, and then after that go to control and take a if block, and then duplicate it 4 times. And when you have done that, then go to sensing and take key pressed block and select the arrow keys. After you have done that, go to motion and take the change y by and duplicate it 1 time, and then put it in the down and the up one, and then for the down do it change y by 10, and in the up do it change y by 10. And also put a forever loop. As you can see, now it is working perfectly. Now do the same thing for the right and left. So to do the right and left, you will again go to motion, but this time you will take the change x by block and duplicate it 1 time, and then put the change x by 10 block in the right and change x by -10 in the left. Now if you see, it is working perfectly. You can move the cat right, up, down and left. Now this was just the moving. Now we will make the actual maze. And to do that, you will hover over the choose a backdrop option and select upload backdrop, and then it will show you this. You will save an image and upload it here in Scratch. Now when it's there, go to looks and first do set size to, because the cat is too big right now, and you will put this under the green flag clicked, and you can change the size to anything you like, but it should be small. That's a little too small. That's perfect. Now you can see we have almost completed the game, but nothing happens if we are touching the black line. So to fix that, what we will do is go to control and take another if block and do if touching color black, you will choose the pick color option and then pick the same color. And when you have done that, you will go again to motion and go to X 96 and Y 149 and put this same block when green under the when green flag click. Now you can see if this happens, if you're touching the black color, it will go to the starting position. But it sometimes does not work because in some parts the color is not same. So to fix that, you will go to operators and take OR block, and then you will duplicate that if touching color block and select the part color where it is not working, and take the touching block and put them together. And there are a lot of parts like them that are not the same color, so you might have to do this a couple of times. Now if we start the code, it is working perfectly. Sometimes, but now we can just cheat and go through here. So you will go to stage, backdrops and paint it. You will choose the same color and then draw a line so no one can pass it. But sometimes this color is also different. So we will do the same for it. Take a OR block, duplicate this, select this color and put this like this. Now we cannot cheat. We cannot go to this. Perfect. We can lose, but we cannot win. So let's make it so we can win. So again you will go to stage and go to backdrops and then go to if it is showing cover to bitmap, you don't want it. You want it to show convert to bitmap. You want in vector mode. Then you will select the rectangle tool and draw any color rectangle. I will make a red rectangle. And remove the outline. And then take the text tool and write win. And choose a different color for this. Now go to the cat and again go to control and take a if block and then again to sensing and take if touching and take the select option and select the color red which you have made the box with. And then we will go to variables and make a variable called win. So we can track how many wins we have got. So we will do if touching color red, then Change win by 1 and go to motion and take the go to block and put this in the if. And now if we run the code, you can see it is working, and sometimes it is hard to complete it. So to test it, you can just move the spread to there. Yes, it is working perfectly. So friends, thank you for watching. I know this game has a lot of things and it is properly complete, but this is only part 1. We will add more things in part 2. So if you like this video, press on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.